In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide the toolbar on TradingView mobile app. Now the toolbar, of course, could be a bunch of different things. If you're talking about this one I have on my screen over here, which you can get rid of no matter where you press, that's how to do it very easily. So you could either go to the bottom and of course tap on the pen icon, which is going to allow you to see your drawings, and you want to find the different tools you have highlighted as favorites. So if you have favorites, it's going to show that, but if you don't, it's not going to show it. So for example, as you can see, I have 4 favorites over here. I can long press on any of these and then I can remove from favorites, and if I remove all of them, it's going to basically remove that specific toolbar. That's the first way to do it. The second one is to basically long press on the toolbar, and then at the bottom it's going to say hide favorite drawings tools toolbar. So tap on that and there we go, that's going to hide it as well. Okay, so those are the two options you have, and of course if you're talking about any other toolbars, the best way to hide them is going to be to go to the bottom here where you have different options, scroll towards the right and just enter full screen, and that's going to hide the bottom toolbar and of course the above one as well. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.